your staff can now scan their fingerprints to gain access to the point of sale using a biometric device, making your point of sale more secure and helping you track their attendance. Let me show you how it works. In order to use the biometric device, you must first assign fingerprint access to your various staff members. To do so, click on Edit Staff, select the specific staff member, click on Capture next to Fingerprint Access. Once you have assigned fingerprint access to a specific staff member, they can now use the biometric device to start and end shifts and cash up.